favorite DV hair girl, and I had to come get my lashes at the Tatti lash booth.
Hey guys, we're here with Tatti Lashes, the bombest lash brand ever.
Sorry Tatti, I can't help myself. Hey guys, so I'm just here with Tatti Lashes. It's the first time I've sat down all day and I'm so grateful right now. Thank you so much for being here with us today guys, it's been so fun.
You're looking good! Let me feel so! Listen to me! We shine! Go to the ball! And I can say it like this, see?
So hey guys, it's Beautycon day 2 today. I'm here again with my face, Tatti Lashes, and I cannot wait to meet you all, hug you all, and put some lashes on you, get you lashed up for the day, ready to go do this.
Hi guys, I'm Glam here with Tatti Lashes, my favorite lashes in the whole entire world. You guys should definitely come check them out.